We're enjoying a spring walk here in Greater Houston. Many of the deciduous trees have leafed out. And the only ones that haven't that I can see are pecans, and some of the ash trees haven't yet, but almost everything else has. We're going to compare and contrast two plants. Right here is a native woody plant, Beautyberry or Callicarpa. It's very soft. The new leaves are very soft, like a velvet, little micro hairs. And so this will develop a light pink flower in the summer that will turn into a profusion, really like a cluster of deep purple berries. This is a woodland edge plant. It can grow in a fair amount of shade. Got a sugarberry here, or a hackberry. It has these bumps or warts are one of its trademarks. And we're going to contrast the beautyberry with another plant that looks very similar. This one has small berries developing, which you can make out. This is poison ivy. So we're not going to touch this one, but from a distance it's almost identical. I mean, the average person I think wouldn't know the difference. And poison ivy is quite the shapeshifter. It can become a shrub, a vine. It can grow on the ground. It can grow up a tree. It can be like a freestanding small shrub. I'm sort of exhibiting all of that here. It's growing through these holly that are bent over, and then it's reaching along the ground here. And from a distance, very similar to the beautyberry. The new leaves are shiny. That's quite different. The beautyberry's new leaves are very soft and not shiny. And poison ivy's developing berries that will ripen later in the summer or in the fall, that are an important food for migrating birds. It's like a very waxy berry. So since this is near a bench and a garbage can, this would be a good spot to cut back the poison ivy so the average person doesn't brush up against it. And this develops some gorgeous fall color. It's one of the best fall colors in Texas that I can find. See, when it's growing on the ground, this is the same plant, I believe, or same species. It's quite different. It's darker green, and the leaves vary a bit. So that's comparing and contrasting poison ivy with beautyberry.